All right, YouTube, Facebook, Ryan here, AO Cleaning. We are on a duct job today. Today is Wednesday the 8th, and this client found us, was a follower of ours on Facebook and YouTube, and he called me and said, Ryan, I've been following you for a while. I can tell you're really passionate about your service, especially duct cleaning, and we would like you guys to come out and take care of us. So it was a no-brainer. I said, I appreciate that feedback. So we're here today, and let's show you what we're doing. All right, so you got 2 areas right there. Got one right there. And as you guys know, we do by the square footage of the whole house. And got a return there. 3 bedrooms. And actually, this layout, we're actually gonna do in the garage area. This is where the air handler is. So we're gonna do, they have 2 vents in the main garage area we're gonna access. And the air handler's right here. So we're gonna access it from this side, but this is where the air handler is. It's kind of neat. But we actually have 2 access panels that we're gonna enter in, and let me show you what that looks like. And there, and you got the little area here. As you guys know, this is an open concept, so we're gonna be accessing from this area, as you guys can see. So we got your supply, you guys know the main trunk line. So one is the return, one is supplies it. So we're gonna access one from this area. And then the other one is here, as you can see here, it's taped off. And then we're gonna access from that once we come down this area. And the other one in here, we're gonna access right there. That just comes along here. So that's what we're doing today, guys. And again, this client, Mr. Jared, said he found us, and found us for a long time. And he decided to go with us because we're passionate. Right, Jared?
That's right.
Awesome. I was just telling my clients here on Facebook and YouTube that you found us and you were just really thrilled about the passion that we had behind our service, and that's why you chose us.
That is exactly why.
Awesome. We appreciate that. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Stay tuned for some results, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, look at that. Yeah, buddy, stay tuned. All right, guys, looks good. You guys having a great day out there? All right, guys, we're almost to the main trunk lines. You can see, check it out. This is the supply we're doing. You guys having a great day. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the supply main trunk. Typical, as you can see. Stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, nice and clean. This is the afterwork and the main trunk line of the supply. All right, guys, stay tuned for the return. AO Cleaning here, Facebook, YouTube. This is why you need to get your HVAC cleaned. The air you breathe is so crucial to a healthy indoor environment, especially if allergies or you never had it done, or you're moving or had the construction done. This is a good indicator you need it done. So again, call us and we'll take care of your indoor air quality. Stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, this is the afterwork of the main trunk line of the return. As you can see, all looks well. It was pretty dirty, but we got it cleaned again. So the client is so thankful and grateful because they have allergies and suffer from that, and we got them cleaned again. So, all right, guys, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and like, and have a great day.